In the year 2024, the world of coding had evolved into a dynamic and interconnected realm, filled with endless possibilities. One aspiring coder, named Maya, found herself immersed in this captivating field, driven by a passion to make a meaningful impact through her programming skills. Maya's journey began with humble beginnings. Growing up, she always had a fascination with technology, spending countless hours exploring the digital world. As she entered the field of coding, she faced numerous challenges and obstacles, but her determination and curiosity fueled her progress. In this fast-paced tech landscape, Maya embraced a growth mindset, viewing every setback as an opportunity to learn and improve. She found inspiration in the ever-expanding frontiers of coding, where innovation and creativity knew no bounds. Maya understood that the key to success in this field was not just about mastering languages and frameworks, but about embracing change and adapting to new technologies. Maya joined a vibrant coding community where she discovered the power of collaboration. In this interconnected era, coders from different corners of the globe shared ideas, collaborated on projects, and collectively pushed the boundaries of what was thought possible. The support and camaraderie within the coding community became a constant source of motivation for Maya, as she realized the strength that comes from diverse perspectives and experiences. As Maya delved deeper into her coding journey, she found purpose in using her skills to address real-world challenges. Whether it was developing sustainable solutions, creating educational platforms, or contributing to open-source projects, Maya recognized the profound impact coding could have on shaping a better future. Her work became a testament to the positive influence coders could have on society. In the midst of technological advancements, Maya never lost sight of the human element in coding. She understood the importance of empathy, communication, and user-centered design. Maya's coding journey wasn't just about writing lines of code. It was about crafting experiences that enhanced people's lives. As Maya continued to evolve in the ever-changing coding landscape, she became a source of inspiration for others entering the field. Her story resonated with aspiring coders who faced similar challenges, proving that with perseverance, passion, and a commitment to lifelong learning, anyone could thrive in the dynamic world of coding. Maya's story echoed through the coding community, inspiring a new generation of developers to embrace the challenges, celebrate the successes, and always push the boundaries of what was possible. In the field of coding, on this day in 2024, Maya's journey stood as a beacon of motivation, illustrating that the code we write has the power to shape the future and leave a lasting impact on the world.